What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's a good day. We just finished the headlights, they look great. I'm gonna get straight to the point. We're gonna mess with the steering wheel today. I got a button, the start button, I want to change to red, and the M button. And also I'm gonna add the carbon fiber little trim around the start button. We're also gonna change the paddles. There's little clips back here. It's really simple. You can tell that part right there is right in the middle on the top. There's a bunch of clips, 1, 2, 3, 4 that I see. Just gonna pop them out. You can tell that that's the top with that gap right there, guys. Just gonna line it up. Seems to be intact. Alright, so we got the red button in. Looks good. I'll connect that later. First things first, guys, we're gonna turn off the negative terminal before removing the airbag to install the steering wheel. Okay. In order to remove the airbag, we're gonna go ahead and stick a flathead in here. Try to push the spring over so it can pop out. There is an angle you gotta do it at. Right there. Pops out. There's one more on this side. We're gonna go ahead and remove the airbag. You can get a slimmer flathead, that'll work easier. But that works as well. This is usually a number 16. So we're gonna remove it. It should come out. So it's gonna be a T10, guys. You can kind of see it's the same setup. There you have it, guys. Just gonna go off that line on the bottom. Boom. Slides right in. Good spot for it. Better. That's it, guys. Oh yeah. last step, guys. Airbag's in place. Just need to hook up the battery. That's it. Alright guys, so we got it all done. It's on here. I love it. It's really, really nice. Has a nice grip. I like how the paddles came out. It's like they're there, but they're not. So the flat black helped it to kind of fade away, but the splat's there, so you know you have paddles in the bag. I just love the yellow right here, and my speedometer yellow just finishes it all off. It looks so nice. It's like you want to just drive this car all day long. I like the red button theme I did. It's kind of like the Ferraris. They got the red and yellow going on. Yeah, and that's it. So stay tuned for the next video. I should have the supercharger video coming up soon, and we'll see you next time.